How to verify email on Monopoly Go account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Monopoly Go app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to verify your email, you need to go to the settings first. Here in this home screen, at the top right corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on it. Now at the bottom, you can see the settings icon over here. Tap on it. Once you're in the settings menu, select this manage account option. And over here, you can see the new subscription option. Tap on it. You will see a pop-up like this. Here you need to enter your email address. Make sure to enter your valid email address. And now click on this register option. It will send you the verification code. As you can see, I've received the verification code from Monopoly Go. And you can see the verification code over here. You can take a note of this code and tap on verify. There you go. Now it says email verified. So your email is successfully verified right now. That's a very simple process on how to verify email on your Monopoly Go account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.